How to make a cucumber and celery mocktail for premenstrual health. Cucumber and celery are both packed with several health benefits that can help during the premenstrual phase. Both of these powerful foods are used in Ayurvedic medicine to help support mood, digestive health, blood pressure, and much more. Celery is rich in several antioxidants, including vitamin C. It also has important phytochemicals which have been shown to help support a reduction in inflammation, oxidative stress, and pain. It's also been studied for its powerful benefits in helping to control blood pressure and helping with the nervous system health. You can also add some mint and lime in there. Mint is wonderful supporting the digestive system and helping to support stress reduction and reducing feelings of anxiety or nervousness. Cucumber is packed with antioxidants. It's been shown to contain pectin, an important fiber to support the digestive system, blood sugar control, and hydration. I add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of maple syrup as well. Maple syrup is packed with over 24 antioxidants. It's even been suggested to help improve the activity of certain antibiotics and may even help to reduce inflammation in the body. I like to add a bit of carbonated water just for taste. And you can garnish with some mint leaves. If you found this video to be helpful, you can follow for more nutritional education.